Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're back at the Palazzo, and this is session 21. And hopefully we'll get 5 sevens out the back, and this will be a short video. That's wishful thinking. Actually, on session 20, I had 5 sevens, and it was still a long video because I got in trouble. I was only like $20 short of my 10% goal, and everything got twisted. Started going downhill, uphill, downhill. Man. But let's hope for 5 sevens, and this will be a short video, and I'll see you guys in the casino. Here you guys, so walk over to the easy craps. Oh, here's the craps right there. Only one seat for the craps. This is the machine you gotta work with. Last number is 7, 10, 4, then 7. Wow, look at that. 10, 4, and 7. So let's put these 17 bullets in. That means you gotta start. You must start with the same. That's one. You're not going to take one. One. She's not taking one. Try to take one. Okay, you guys, so we're here at the Palazzo, and I tried to put this 1700 in, but it wouldn't let me, so it wouldn't take the $100 bill, so I had to change the 100. So I'm gonna put this 1600 in. And then I'm gonna put this 100 in. So now we got 17. I don't see any 10s or 4s in a while. That scares me. Last one roll was a 4. I think I like this machine over here better. I think we're gonna take that out. And I think we're gonna go to this machine. Actually, we're gonna go this one over here. Let's go to this one over here. Yeah, I see a few 7s. I see a long roll and a few 7s. I see 4s, 4s, 10s, 10s, 7s, 7s, 4s, 4s. 4s came back to back. Look at that. 7, 4, 7. So since the 4 just came, I think we're gonna lay on the 4, which I hate doing. I'm gonna start 60 on the 4. And the goal is 170. Last number was a 7. Let's go. It's 7. Back. Is it 6?
6. No field.
I hate that glare.
We're out on 6.
Is it 12?
12 craps box cards. Come away. Farther down. Double in the field.
Is it 11?
Yo, 11. Take the dump. Good in the field and come.
Is it 8?
8 easy. Down behind. No field 8.
There's a 10 right there.
10 hard.
So let's move this. Let's move this over here.
Winner.
Let's move that 60 over. Let's get a 7. And a 3. Almost a 7.
3 craps. Come away. Pay the dump. Single the
Let's try the side swipe. There's a 6.
6. Down behind. Don't come. Travel to the 6.
There's a 8.
Easy 8. No field. Down behind.
Here's a 4. Hard 4.
Hard
Hard 4s.
Hard 4 pays
Hard 4s and hard 10s. What are the odds? Man, I swear you see the craziest numbers. There's a 9.
9. Down behind. Don't
We rolled
come.
5 more
No
times without the 7. I'm
behind.
gonna switch to another machine. There's an 8.
8. Down behind. No field 8.
There's a 6.
6 easy 6, no field, down behind, the point.
Is it 10?
10, easy 10.
Let's move
down
that over.
behind, single.
Is it 5?
5,
We got
down
like 2 more
behind,
rolls.
no
We switched to
field,
another
don't
machine.
come, don't.
Is it 4? Wow, what a dodge.
4 soft, hit the field.
Let's move that over
4
here.
is gone.
Is it 3?
3 clubs.
It's a hell of a roll. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 rolls. What's that? Is it 3?
3 clubs. Come away.
Come on, 7. Come on. 8.
8 easy. Down behind. No field 8.
Come on, 7. Hard 8.
8 hard. Hard 8.
I mean, how many rolls?
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
You can't win if you don't
12,
win.
13, 14,
Let's
15,
see
16,
some
17,
hard
18,
6
19.
money.
20 has to be a 7. 6.
6, easy 6. Down behind.
Let's get all the
No
rolls out so
field.
7's come. 5.
5 fever. No field. Down behind. And our point.
6.
6, easy 6. Down behind. No field.
5.
5 fever. Down behind. Don't come trouble.
3.
3
This is
clubs.
way too many
Run
rolls.
away.
Look at this
Please
roll.
don't. We're
It's
coming
like
out.
25 number. The good thing is
Please,
that
press your bets.
once the 7 comes, we're not going to get another
Check
25 roll
odds,
7.
lay
So
odds,
actually,
come back, field
let's-
bet.
let's-
How about some hard ways?
yeah, let's keep it at 60. Come on now. Let's go. 7. It's 9.
9. Mark it up and single the field. The point is
Come on, 7. Come on. 6.
6, easy 6. Down behind. No field.
Come on, 7. No field. Come on. 9.
9. Down behind. Single the field.
Come on, 7. 9. You know what?
9.
We're gonna take this down.
behind.
They
Single
want to
the
play.
field.
They want to play. We're
Place your bet.
going to lay $15 up
The
there.
field is a lot.
There's a 7 right there. God damn.
7. Line away. Pay the jump and the last one, pay behind. Get your bet set.
That was like
Coming out again.
25 rolls.
Place your bet.
At least 25, maybe even more than that. Come on, back to back 7. Here's a 10.
10 the hard way. Mark
Let's
it
move
up.
that over
Down
there.
behind. Single.
10 ring 7. Is it 3?
3 craps. Come away. Winner of the dart.
Come on. 10 ring 7. Snake eyes.
2 craps aces. Come away. Pay the dump. Double the.
Come on. 10 ring 7. There's that hard 4.
4 hard. Hard 4 pays 8 for 1. Wonderful.
Hard 4 and hard 10 came
Please
before.
place your bet.
You know what hasn't come is a hard 6. So let's put 2 on that 6.
Put some money on the odds. It will.
There's a 7.
7 out. Out 7. Line away. Pay the dough and the last count.
So we're at 1734.
We're coming out again.
Let's repeat last
Time
bet.
to place your bet.
Look at that 4.
4 soft. Mark the 4. Down behind. Single the field. We're out on 4.
Repeat last bet. It was almost a 7.
9. Down behind. Don't come. Go to the knock.
Look at that 4 again.
4. Easy 4. Single the field. Hard 4 is down. Place your bet.
There's a 7.
7. Save odds. Pay behind. We're coming out.
Alright, so we're right back where we
Place
started.
your bets.
Let's go for a double up on that 7. There's a hard 6. Oh, I had it off. God
The
damn
point
it.
is 6.
I had the 6 off.
Place your bets.
Damn it.
Down behind.
The hard 8 hasn't hit.
Let's see some hard 6 money.
The 10.
10, easy 10.
Let's move that
Down
over there.
behind. Single.
The 6.
6, down behind. Don't come travel to this.
3.
3 cups. Line away. Take a go.
6.
6.
Now this machine is hot.
Down behind. We're out on.
12.
12 cups. Take the pump. Bar the double. Double.
9.
9. Down behind. Single the field.
8. Come on, 7.
8 easy. Down behind. No field 8.
There's 7.
7 out 7. Line away. Long beer. Cold dice.
Okay, so we're at 1742. We still got a while to go. Let's repeat last bet. Let's just back to back. 5.
5 arrived. No field. Down behind. The button.
Here's a 7.
7 out 7. Line away. Long beer. Cold dice.
Let's repeat last bet.
Please place your bet.
Let's go. 9.
9. Mark it up and single the field. The point.
Let's go. It's a 4.
4 sides.
So let's move that over. Let's move that over there. Let's go. 6.
6. Easy 6.
Come on,
Down
7.
behind. No field.
12.
12 cups. Come away. Bar the duck. Double the.
It's a 6.
6.
Come on, 5, 2.
Down behind. No field.
Come on, 5, 2. Let's see it. 5.
5. Down behind. No field. Don't come. Go.
Come on now. Almost a 10.
9. Down behind. Don't come. Go.
Come on, let's get this one. There's a 7. There you go.
7. Front line winner. Pay the line. Stay behind.
Okay, so we started
Place your bets.
with 1700 times 0.1 equals 170 plus 1700 equals 1870 minus 1813. We still need like $57. So let's put up a 60 on the 4. Because a 4 just came. Let's get 7 back to back.
Down behind.
8.
8. Easy 8. No field. Down behind. The point is 8.
Come on, 7. 5.
5 fever. Down behind. Don't come trouble.
Come on, 7. 11.
Yo, 11. Take the dog. Good in the field and cover.
Come on, 7. 5.
5. Down behind. No field. Don't come. Go to.
Come on, 7. Let's go. 8.
8 easy. Down behind. No field 8.
Come on, 7. There you go.
7. Front line winner. Pay the line. Pay behind.
Okay, so we got 1870 minus 1842. We need $28 times 2. So we got to put up another 60. Let's lay another 60. That 4 hasn't come in a while. It did come right there, but I can feel it coming back. So let's go light. Let's go 30. Let's go one wrong. There's 11.
Yo, 11. Front line winner. Still coming out. Place your bet.
Oh, we need a 7 right here to make it a win. Seven for the win.
Pay behind. We're coming out.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. We've made our
Come out
we've made our goal.
Let's shoot the dice.
And I'll see you guys on the next video. I don't know how many times we got hit. I think we got hit 3 or 4 times, but that's a 10% goal, and that's good enough for me. And I'll see you guys on the next video.